Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel, and I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And yeah, surprise surprise, it is another unboxing. I do know that I have been doing unboxings lately, but yeah, I've been pretty bad with shopping, so sue me. This item came from eBay and I am very excited to have received it, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, let's go ahead and open her up. Here is my knife. This is the box. And again, if you are not interested in luxury unboxings, you guys already know that this is an unboxing from Louis Vuitton, then go ahead and X right out because I don't need any of your negativity. But so I purchased this item through eBay because it is impossible to find it in the store. And so here is the item. Oh, and look, so it came with the box, and there is a little gift card, or not a gift card, but a little card that I could write on if I were to have gifted it to somebody. But this is for me. Okay, so let me put the box here and I'll show you guys. So here is the box again. And this is just a little card, like I said, that you could write, that you can write on if you were to gift it to somebody else. Sort of like a thank you card or whatever kind of card you want it to be. And now let me see if I can put this damn thing back. Okay, there you go. So let's open it. Oh, I need to take the ribbon off that side. Here we go. Let me take the dust bag out of here. Nothing else inside the box. Let me just move that there. Let me open this up. You guys can see a little bit of yellow. Oh, here is, gives you guys any other clues. So this is a booklet from the Autumn Hiver 2018 collection, which is Kim Jones's last collection with Louis Vuitton before he left for Christian Dior. So, oh wow, okay, so here we go. And here is, this is a luggage tag from that collection, like I said, and this is in the monogram titanium. You guys can see if I move it like that, you guys can see an LV right there. And this is a vernis or a patent leather in the yellow, and on the inside it is a bright orange, you can see. And on the other side there is a place where I could write my name or whatever, but I am not going to do that. And oh, and look, so the eyeball, you guys, if it'll focus, it's just a little button. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it can't really focus. That's probably the best it'll do, but it says Louis Vuitton there as well. And yeah, so this is brand new, and this is almost impossible to get here in the United States because they sold out with the quickness. And one rumor I found, or I saw, said that there was only 5 of these available in the United States. I don't know if that's true. That's just something that I saw. But yeah, I'm really happy to have found this item. So here you go, and here it comes with a long string, unlike other luggage tags that have the buckle. Oh, and look, it looks like the string is actually also made out of the monogram titanium, like we have right here, because I could sort of see, like, you know, the design on the string itself. But yeah, let me just show you guys what I plan to use this piece with, and I will also just give you guys or show you guys my other pieces in the monogram titanium, just so you guys can see the full collection that I was able to acquire. Now I know that I said that this particular monogram or this particular canvas is very delicate, and that's why I returned the titanium keep all. But I thought that these little items, when they're, you know, small enough to be able to take care of, and I won't be throwing them around or anything like that, I would be able to keep them as pristine as possible. So let me show you guys what I plan to. So I have my other piece right here. Alright, so this is again my Messenger PM that I recently got, that miraculously appeared on the website one day, and I was able to place it in my cart and check out with the quickness. And so what I plan to do, I think I will put it on this D-ring right here. So let me do that right now, actually. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best place to put it. Okay, so let me tie this on real quick and I'll show you guys the final product here. So I don't know if I like these strings as opposed to the buckle, because all you have to really do is tie it in a knot. And I'd worry that this knot would, so here we go, I'd worry that this knot would come loose. So I probably tie it multiple times, and so that doesn't look as nice, but I'll probably just have it dangling like that. Or, I mean, I might put it on the side or something, because this rope right here, or whatever you call it, this trim, it is not stitched completely onto the bag. It is only stitched like right there, just at, you know, several places around this trim, and so you could actually see that it is not attached. And I could probably even put you know, sunglasses here as well. But yeah, what do you guys think of that? So that is what I had planned to use this item for. It would look really cool right there. I wish they did make a titanium classic luggage tag, but they did not. So yeah, this is really nice. And let me just show you guys the other pieces that I was able to get from this collection. I have already done an unboxing. Oh, and look, so here, I didn't see these items. So here is the tag from the dog keychain. If you guys are interested, you guys can try to get your SA to find this for you, but I doubt you'll find it because my SA wasn't able to find it for me. And when I had originally ordered the pieces that I ordered, the keep all and the original bag, the messenger bag, they did not receive the keep all also, and this was in the pop-up shop in Soho, New York, and they did not get it. And here is the textile card. It says it is coated fabric, cowhide, leather trim. And so let me show you also. So here is another item that I recently picked up. So here is these items together. This is the Braza wallet, and on the inside it is lined in leather, and this is a taiga leather. I don't know what color this is, but it is in a gray, similar to the titanium color. Alright, and finally, let me show you guys. So here is my Louis Vuitton watch, and I decided to put this strap on my other watch here instead of my newly acquired watch. That'll show it. But anyway, so here is my watch, and this is an Digi, so analog and digital watch, and I thought it looked better with a silver case as opposed to my black one. So I'm keeping my black strap on this watch, and I am using this strap on this watch. So let me just show all these in the same picture just so you guys can see my entire collection. of the titanium pieces. So there you go. Okay, so that does it for this video. If you have any comments or questions or anything else, please leave them down below. I am doing my best to reply to comments, but I am really, have been really busy the past few weeks, so I have been pretty bad with keeping in touch with you guys, and for that I do apologize, but I do try. It's sometimes hard to even sit down and find time to film videos these days, but I do it when I can. And yeah, so that does it for this video. Again, if you liked it, please give me the thumbs up. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.